and welcome back to the Great Indian Anime Show, presented by Ota Life.
The one show where India's biggest anime conversations and some of the most creative minds in this country come all together here on Z Cafe.
And as always, this madness is powered by Ota Life. People who have been connecting anime fans worldwide, built by the fans, for the fans.
I am Sahil Aryan Ninamdar,
And I am Aryan Salinamdar.
and together we are The Analyst.
If there's anything we have learned from being anime lovers, it's that the community loves ships.
And no, we're not talking about the pirate ships, but relationships. That slowly blossoms into opening TCG packs, unboxing anime blind boxes, or even making couple videos together.
It was wholesome, chaotic, and trending. Exactly the kind of energy that keeps the fandom alive.
Their comment section is still debating if they are siblings or the most shipped anime couple. But we know something's up.
Tonight, we have Ashkar, one of India's biggest anime content creators. He makes hilarious and relatable anime skits, writes rap, unboxes rare anime cards on his second channel, and even does anime gaming live streams. He's the guy who's turned every fandom moment into content, period.
And Anshika, a growing creator in her own right, bringing charm, humor, and relatability to everything she posts. She's building her own space in this fandom, proving that being yourself is always the best content strategy.
Together, they have become the internet's favorite ship, balancing chaos, creativity, and just the right amount of cringe.
Let's be honest, dating a content creator has its own perks. You always have something to film, B-rolls, give it your video ideas, and yes, remind you that your thumbnail looks ridiculous.
And being one of India's most loved anime creators, that's a full-on anime arc, the drama, the playful arguments, and the dopamine rush from views.
They push each other to level up while staying true to themselves. Much like your favorite anime duo, they power through every arc.
They are fun, chaotic, and taking over the Indian anime space, one reel, one skit, and one card unboxing at a time.
So, without any further ado, please welcome our favorite couple everybody's been talking about, Ashkar and Anshika.
Hello.
Welcome.
Welcome. Please have a seat.
Oh, thank you so much. Hey,
Guys,
Thank you.
first of all, you look so cute together, man.
Thank you.
we try our best.
First off, you just have to ask, how are you guys?
Oh, fantastic, dude.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Yeah, you
मजा.
good?
Yeah.
Excited for your second appearance on the Great Indian Animation.
Very excited, and I've been following all the episodes, by the way.
Yeah, same.
Or I'm also very scared of what is going to happen.
It's gonna be a fun-filled, exciting journey.
Okay.
That fun doesn't sound fun for me.
Don't worry, the audience love it.
So let me just dive in.
Oh, okay.
How did you guys meet?
Was it through anime?
Meet or like?
Started dating? Like, how did you guys started dating?
Oh, it's me.
The question first is, are we dating? So the funny thing, a lot of people still don't know in our at least community or fan base of following that we are dating. Because हमने उसको बड़ा grey area में रखा है. People are debating if we are brothers and sisters or
Oh
dating.
no. That comment that people have the audacity to say कि हम लोग भाई. अबे हम लोग की शक्ल भी नहीं मिलती है कैसे?
नहीं. I agree तो मिलती है. थोड़ी मिलती है. Also हमारी हरकतें भी बड़ी same है. That's maybe why nice.
हाँ, ये हो सकता है.
Yeah. So it is because of anime. It was because of anime.
Yeah.
Do you want to elaborate on how we met? क्योंकि मैं पहले बता रहा हूँ मैं जो भी बोलूँगा मेरे गन पॉइंट पे हो जाएगा तो मैम बोलेंगी जो बोलेंगी.
नहीं, it was so जब मैं कंटेंट नहीं बना रही थी तो एक दिन ऐसे ही मेरा रील का स्क्रॉल चल रहा था एंड देयर वाज दिस फाइन गाय ऑन माय फीड सेइंग कि अगर मैं रीइंकार्नेट हो जाऊं किसी एनिमे के सीन में या किसी एनिमे में तो उस चीज का नाम क्या होगा. एंड आई वाज लाइक होल्ड अप, किसी ने रीइंकार्नेशन की भी बात कर दी है, इसी का बोल दिया सीधा, ठीक है, कि इसी का वर्ड यूज हो रहा है और एनिमे. मैंने कहा अरे भाई ये सब इतना हाई एडवांस कब से हो गया इंडिया में. सो देन आई वेंट टू हिज इंस्टाग्राम पेज और फिर मैंने वहाँ पे बायो पढ़ा. एंड आई वाज लाइक भाई क्या लड़का है भाई. और मैं बायो नहीं बोल सकती थोड़ा, ठीक है ना. but it was related to noodles. You know what I'm saying? क्या था तुम्हारा एक बार बताना?
Ramen and noodles and a lot of numbers, 6 digits में उनका set आता है.
So वो देख के I was very impressed कि भाई चलो कोई तो इतना तगड़ा काम कर रहा है, follow तो बनता है. And mind you, he was at 10,000 at that time.
Pretty early.
और उस टाइम पे मुझे लगा भाई कितना फेमस बंदा होगा ये वो, तो मैंने पटाख करके उस टाइम पे फॉलो कर दिया. ठीक है.
But अभी we did not meet yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
वो slowly आए, वो slowly reveal करेंगे.
slowly
But this
आए.
was like the first touch, first initiation of an influencer sort of 10K guy whatever, and a girl who likes anime. It's very much like the PewDiePie story, if you know.
Yeah. So who slid into whose DMs?
I was the one.
What
I
was the message? Hi.
So नहीं, not hi. So maybe it was something story का reaction. ठीक है, तो मैंने कोई story पे
classic.
maybe the heart or the laugh maybe, and he liked that reaction. और उस पे मैंने फिर sticker भेजने शुरू कर दिए कि oh my god, thank you so much for liking my video. And he was like, chill dude, chill.
Yeah.
Calm
I mean,
down.
I'll be very real. मैं rarely लोगों के DMs देखता हूँ now, but when I was at least like 10K, 20K normal, very early stages of content creations, I used to check what people are saying about me. I used to talk to people. और I think उस time से जो जिनसे मैंने बात की है, I'm still close with them because we share recommendations and all. And मेरे को आते हैं दो टाइप के DMs. एक तो भैया recommend कर दो, tell me some anime. And the other type is either just one emoji or just hi. वो वाले ना ऐसे slide हो जाते हैं delete पे.
हाँ, dude, that just one emoji ना, it bugs me.
हाँ, ये क्या है, मतलब कुछ हाई बोल देता, कोई recommendation मांग लेता.
Yeah. No, I think the story that you reacted to was a video story of me talking about something, and that's why I was like, okay, somebody's reacting to it the way I wanted it to, so I'll double tap and like that, which is also not very nice.
And I went crazy. Why so किसी ने मेरे को reply नहीं दिया?
ये baby steps are very stupid, by the way. ये अभी इतना stupid sound कर रहे हैं now that we are sitting here on a anime talk show.
Yeah.
But वो it sparks something in the beginning, and then you start having a conversation, and then you realize that you have similar interests. You talk about anime, not just that. Outside of it, you have similar taste in music and movies and TV shows.
Food
and then
also.
Food, of course. And here we are.
Yeah.
Damn, like going from following to like right now being over
So
here.
middle में stalking भी आती है जो मैंने ही की थी.
Ah.
I'm so glad that she's so honest. मेरे को नहीं बोलना पड़ रहा है ये, मेरे मुंह से बहुत गंदा सुनता है ये, but she's saying
नहीं,
it.
but that's true ना, मतलब कोई कंटेंट बना रहा है, ठीक है, और वो भी बड़ा प्रीमियम. उस टाइम पे मेरे को बहुत प्रीमियम लगता था क्योंकि nobody is doing that.
हाँ.
ठीक है,
अभी भी
the way he deliver, yeah, but the way he delivers the jokes and everything, and he makes skits, and I was so impressed कि भाई पहली बात तो थोड़ा सा ही सही, but इतना ज़्यादा, it was too much for me to handle, but it was like कि हाँ चलो, very good.
I'm so glad this is happening on live television. Now I don't have to redo this whole thing for my kids someday. I don't know. And अब मेरे को किसी को explain करने की जरूरत नहीं है, everybody knows.
Yeah. So tell me, guys, what's the best part of dating a content creator and the worst?
Like, does it affect your reach knowing that this person
Reach?
is dating? Yeah,
I don't think
reach,
you've ever
viewership.
thought of reach like that. नहीं ना? So
we are
I mean,
making content for fun.
for fun, yeah. We have our separate lives. I'm pursuing my career. She has a separate domain. I think best parts about creating content together is that you have another person to react to stuff that you're doing. तो अगर मैं एक type का content बना रहा हूँ, it's very silos में, right? I'm only doing what I think. But then you get a different perspective from another person. So now we're opening TCG packs together, and I open it, something that I don't like, she's into it, and you get a different perspective. Oh नहीं, मेरे को बहुत पसंद है, this is my favorite card. Something that I'm hyping about, and she's like, yeah, you're right. So you get a supportive hype partner. That's a good thing to have. I think we also have upgraded our equipment significantly.
Yeah.
We've become better in creating content together because we're learning
Especially
together.
in lighting.
That's my thing.
Lighting is the most important thing in his life, according to मतलब like when it comes to content making.
Yeah, like we spoke about that in a previous episode.
Yeah.
That's your
It's
one
one of
pet
my-
peeve. Yeah.
Yeah,
If you don't-
lighting अच्छी नहीं आ रही, थोड़ा ना इसको ऐसे. ठीक है.
Okay, then what's the worst part of dating a content creator?
I mean,
Come on, Desh.
I'll tell you. नहीं. So weekdays पे we cannot record क्योंकि we both have our own work. But weekends पे we meet. और weekends पे हमारा schedule होता है 8 long form video, 17 short form video एक दिन में बनाएंगे. And then when you realize कि practically and logistically it does not work out because in the middle of all recordings and the real time that you have. You have bickering छोटी-छोटी कि नहीं इसका ये माइक इधर होना चाहिए था और इसका ये उधर होना चाहिए था.
कभी-कभी thumbnail नहीं लिया हम लोगों ने बाद में याद
thumbnail. Being content creators, mindset अच्छा है कि हाँ content बना रहे हैं thumbnail नहीं लिया.
हाँ like हो जाता है सब बढ़िया हो भाई वीडियो बहुत बढ़िया बनी. 2 दिन बाद मुझे फोन आता है कि यार हमने thumbnail तो लिया नहीं था क्या करें बताओ. फिर अब तू वही कपड़े पहन के ना सेम मुझे फोटो खींच के भेज मैं अपने आप कर लूँगा.
Is there any like other than anime life or content life impact on being creators together? I don't think so.
नहीं I don't think so. But थोड़ा वो हो जाता है कि so there is a opposite role in our relationship. It's like कि I'm the one जो management के हिसाब से नहीं चलती and he's the one की बात.
एक और अरे बहुत बढ़िया होगा. एक तो एक प्लानिंग वाली हो गई ठीक है मैं मान गया. This is one more thing. I have a habit to not watch my content after it's out. ठीक है तो मैं कुछ गलतियाँ करता हूँ edit में because just me I don't have any other perspective. So it just goes away और वो live हो गया. She's the one who watches everything because she still has that fan. I still love your content. First of all, having somebody who enjoys what you do is just great. That's one of the best things that you could have. But then she watches everything. She'll go back and say, "अरे आपने ये cut नहीं किया, आपने ये edit नहीं किया. You have to change this. अब thumbnail अच्छा नहीं है, description में कुछ गलती है." Then okay, I have somebody to rely on to do the proofread basically.
मैंने worst part तो नहीं है कुछ ज़्यादा.
नहीं, I am worst at proofreading. मैं बता रहा हूँ. But that's the best part. She does it for me.
So tell me about like you guys. People watch anime for escapism, correct?
Yeah.
And people also have like people like being in a relationship for that same reason.
Yeah.
Escapism from reality, a little bit break from your work, from your stress, some place where you can just refresh yourself. So you guys are each other's escapism. Can you say that?
Yeah, for me yes.
Okay.
I mean,
For me,
see,
yes.
Like escaping to your safe zone.
that makes sense. But
Yeah.
I still feel relationship को escapism से categorize करना is not that great. I understand what you meant. That makes absolute sense. But see, anime is not just escapism. It's a new story. It's an experience. It's emotion, right? So with a relationship is also a journey. It's more of a starting at the end of the One Piece. You'll go through the whole 100 miles. And इसमें there's no shortcuts. There's no escape. There is no escape
Yeah.
when you're in a
Yeah,
relationship.
there is no escape.
It is not an escape and there is no escape. I think yes, it is somewhere someone that you can fall back on definitely. And you have a comfort zone. जो कि उस बबल में है. You have your own. You're out with friends, but you have your own thing. है ना? तो I wouldn't say कि I'm not with my friends still. I am. It's not an escape कि मैं इनसे ज़्यादा बात कर रहा हूँ. It's more कि I'm more comfortable with you. So it's a very different concept from escapism. But yeah, kind of. The sense that you meant it in.
Yeah.
Why not? Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So I guess it's time for you know what?
What?
Ota Otaku segment.
I love that. Yes.
Alright guys, before we move on, let's see how well you know your anime. And today's theme is Bleach.
So the first question is, what's the name of Ichiko Zanpakuto? Which squad does Byakuya captain belong in? What is Aizen's ultimate illusion ability called?
Answer these 3 simple questions on the Ota Life app and win exciting merch. So, what are you waiting for? Get onto the Ota app right now. The Great Indian Anime Show will return right back.
The Great Indian Anime Show. The Great Indian Anime Show.
Okay guys, it's time for the Great Indian Anime Show rapid fire round presented by Ota Life. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
I'm ready.
Ash, you won a hamper last time, and Anshika, you lost a hamper
I
last
know.
time.
I'm the ultimate loser.
No, it's fine. I got you this time.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go with Ash first.
Okay, cool.
What's the one anime opinion you'll instantly start a fight with Anshika?
Oh no. If I hate on Attack on Titan or Vinland Saga.
I'll kill you.
Which anime creator do you think got too comfortable after getting famous?
Me? I got too comfortable, right?
Yeah.
With everything that I've done so far. No, I'll choose someone else. Damn, dude. She did as well. She got too comfortable and now she's better than me.
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
That's sweet. What's that one thing you've said on camera that still haunts you?
I don't regret anything that I've said on camera. It's all scripted, bro. Why would I regret?
Okay.
तो कभी सोचा नहीं कि अरे ये थोड़ा cringe हो गया
हाँ
था
तो मैंने edit कर दिया ना उसको. I have the power.
Okay. ठीक है. If you could redo one collab video from scratch, which one will it be?
Oh, all of them, dude. I think where I am now, I can do all of them better. Because initially, even the first 10, I'd say, जो कि मैंने बिना good equipment, बिना good voice, my voice was softer, now it's louder. My scripting is better.
But they were good.
They were still
मतलब
good.
उस time के हिसाब से they
For
were
what
good.
it was.
Yeah.
Sometimes even rawness in that content gets you viewership, I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the next question is one creator you think takes themselves too seriously.
That is not part of the job, bro. You're making content on Instagram and YouTube. You have to be fun. Who's taking? I think I'll still go with Anime TMD. They're too serious for what they do, which is good. That's why they do all those recommendations such thoroughly. भाई उनकी अगर तुम research देख लोगे ना,
Oh.
मेरे आंसू आ जाएंगे. मैं इतनी research नहीं कर सकता. That's why I get roasted.
Like he breaks down AOT in like 8 minutes.
Like उन्होंने ये तक पता कर लिया कि जो चेनसो मैन में वो है क्या कहते हैं फुचीता है उसके नाम पे एक फिश का नाम रखा गया है. ये भी उन्होंने रिसर्च करके अभी रिसेंट रील बनाया. I was like, है ये भी ढूंढना होता है क्या?
They do good. They good. Good
But yeah,
study.
that was a very good research part ना वो जो करते हैं बहुत सही है.
One creator you think has mastered the art of clout.
कौन कमा रहा है पैसे? मुझे ये बताओ पहले. Me?
Yeah.
I have.
Yes.
Just because I frequently work with some people and brands, that's why.
Yeah.
Is that your logic? Okay, fair.
अभी 2 प्लेट सुशी खा के आई हूँ guys.
That's my work money.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Me, I guess.
Which anime character do you think would absolutely hate social media?
I think all the main characters would work here because if you see Luffy, if you see Naruto, if you see any main character, Eren or whatever, they're too busy doing their own stuff. They don't have time for social media at all in their lives. Villains, all of them are on Instagram.
Okay. What's your red flag as a creator?
Lighting. Get better lighting, bro. I think it will have to be when you're trying to have fun creating content and then there's just one guy who's too serious about everything. Learn to take a joke too. If you can't, then you're not the right person to hang out with.
If your fans wrote a fan fiction about you, what's the title?
Oof.
Things
Well,
only.
Yeah, that's
Things
perfect.
only anime lovers will understand.
Yeah, that is the perfect one that you can do.
One anime hot take you'll never say publicly, but now
But now I'm doing it publicly. Alright, funny thing. I used to say this at every question, similar question, that One Piece is trash. I've done that for a couple of interviews and now I've changed. I'm a converted man. I've caught up to One Piece all the way to the end of Elbaf and God Valley. What a banger story, yeah. I'm not joking. So with experience, changed my hot take. But if you want a spicy one, Rent a Girlfriend is not that great. And we know one of the creators who's been here, who loves Rent a Girlfriend. He needs to chill out, okay?
You know, I like how like some of your answers are like inspired, or like you're outright sometimes giving his answers.
Yeah. But
we complete each other's
yeah.
sandwiches.
Sandwiches. Yeah. Sure. Thank you so much.
What's one thing about the Indian anime scene that's massively overhyped?
We are underhyped right now, yaar. The whole industry is getting to it. getting to things like TV shows. This is underrated right now.
Yeah.
We need to get more views on this. So I would say the fact that people say anime underrated ही सही था. That needs to change. ठीक है? We need to grow up, guys. नहीं ठीक था. अगर ठीक होता तो हम यहाँ नहीं होते.
Which creator you think secretly wants to be you?
Everybody wants to be me.
Very good, very good. Yeah, that
I
is
have a
good.
protagonist and a god complex, by the way. If you can't tell, yeah. No, who wants to secretly be me? Why would anybody want to be me? That's not very healthy emotionally. Yeah, let's just say everybody. That sounds better.
Yeah.
One creator who's changed the most since your first collab.
Oh, everybody, yaar. I've done with literally everybody now. At least जो हमारे connection
Everybody,
में
yeah.
है ना.
Yeah.
I've been to even Pune ke creators, Mumbai ke creators, Bangalore, Kolkata, Odisha,
yeah.
everybody.
Yeah.
And thankfully, all of them have grown significantly and have changed their type of content. But सबसे ज़्यादा, I would say there are a couple of small creators that I can't. These guys. Yes, of course. No, yaar, you haven't changed. बताओ, I'll tell you. And for the better, your ambition stays the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, your ambition to create that community जो कि anime को passionately follow करती है, and then bringing them that kind of content is the same, and that's why we are here. So I think that's one of the things that I'm glad hasn't changed. But yes, the production has changed. ये कोई मतलब देख रहा हूँ.
कॉस्ट्यूम नहीं दी भाई भाड़े पे हम लोग को बताओ.
अभी हैम्पर दे दे, अभी दे दे.
ये तुमने हैम्पर के लिए.
नहीं, उसने मेरे को आई कांटेक्ट दिया. बड़ा शाना क्वेश्चन था ये.
What's one thing Anshika does that makes you lose your focus during shoots?
उस टाइप में. I mean, whenever I'm recording, she's all in. She's lost that I am right in front of her. She's gone into scrolling mode. और मैं अचानक से आ गया हूँ. She's just like, oh, अच्छी रील चल रही है, ये चलाओ. I think that's and then मेरी side of the eye में I can see that she's gone in her imaginary world, and then वो एक अचानक से fumble हो जाता है. That's it.
So tell me, what advice would you give to these people? Anshika.
Make more content, dude. Yeah, नहीं, content wise, right?
Yeah.
You've stopped making content. Please do more. We want more of Anshika.
Exams, guys. Sorry.
Anime TM.
Don't be serious.
No, make more videos again. Don't be serious is another one. इतनी research करोगे तो फिर हम क्या करेंगे यार? नहीं. But I think I'm glad that they do what they do so that I don't have to do it. But to Anime TM, I'll be like, enjoy what you do. And if you do, I did not know, I'm happy for you.
Comic works.
I don't watch his content, I'm sorry.
BNF TV.
No, he's doing amazing, dude. I think he's one of those guys जो जहाँ भी हाथ रखता है वो सोना बन जाता है at this point. He tries anime, he tries movies, reviews, whatever he does, he's doing great. मैं कैसे एडवाइस दे सकता हूँ किसी बंदे को जिसका कंटेंट देख के मैंने सीखा है? None of my role there.
Annalist.
Keep doing what you're doing यार. तुम्हारा passion is great. But हाँ मैं बोलूँगा ना थोड़ा ना सफाई वगैरह रखा करो यहाँ पे. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. I'm just joking. I'm just kidding.
So that brings me to my last question for the
Alright.
rapid fire round. Ashkar without Anshika is like.
Oh no. I remember that guy by the way. Not too long ago. Ashkar without Anshika is like sitting alone at 3 a.m. editing his own videos. Ashkar without Anshika is like
Staying at home.
yeah, staying at home, never going out. Even the weekends I'm just shooting and busy at work. Now I do get out more. I do have stories to tell because
Now
I
you
get
have
out.
a person to tease also.
Yeah, oh, I have a dedicated
तुम्हारे-
person.
Yeah.
I have a dedicated person to roast. What's better than that?
Yeah. गंदे जोक्स सुनने पड़ते हैं मुझे. ऐसे हा हा करना पड़ता है ताकि कोई और लड़की फिर जोक सुन के हा हा ना करते तो.
She laughs at my every stupid dad joke. Imagine. I know they're shitty. I just wrote them, but she laughs at me.
I'm like, oh my god, that is so funny. But वो genuine laugh होती है.
You guys are so cute together.
Shut up.
I guess Ash, you're gonna win this round again. But let's give Anshika another.
अरे मैं
I'll feed her some answers.
Okay.
Yeah, like how she was helping you with yours.
Yeah. Okay then. Anshika, are you ready?
Yes, like I have no choice. Okay.
What's that one thing Ashkar does in videos that makes you internally scream?
Into scream.
Talking is enough.
Eh, go.
Alright, yeah, go ahead.
I mean the level of the jokes he connects ना कि relatability भी है और उसके अंदर anime भी आ गया और वो एकदम से boom कर जाता है मतलब like you know what I mean कि वो जोक परफेक्ट फिट है कि मतलब हंसी आ जाती है मेरे को बहुत जोर से लाइक कि कैसे लिखा है इसने मैं थोड़ी जेलस हो रही हूँ कैसे लिखा है प्लीज मुझे में घुट्टी पिला दो तो उनको पिलाइए या
Which anime girl do you think is actually overhyped?
एनिमे गर्ल मे बी आकेनो he overhyped that girl. I know she's a good wife, but just stop it.
I was right about who's going to win that.
What's that one trend in the Indian anime ecosystem you love to end forever?
Don't say things only anime.
No, I have not seen that. The community wise or the creator community wise?
Anything. One thing about anything that you want to end.
And all
Yeah.
toxicity.
नहीं मतलब यार सीरियसली मत लिया करो ठीक है दिल पे मत लिया करो चीजों को ठीक है तो कोई और अपना ओपिनियन दे सकता है प्लीज काम योर
Yeah.
थिंग्स या
Okay. One creator who's fake totally.
फेक ओके
This guy.
या दिस गाय सो एक बार क्या हुआ था मैंने ऐसे रैंडमली जब
अरे यार क्या बात कर रही है मेरा चश्मा
हाँ,
ही
मैं
कहेगा
चश्मे
भाई
का बता रही हूँ, मैं
You don't even have to
चश्मे का ही
explain.
मैं चश्मे का ही बता रही हूँ सो एक दिन मुझे पता चला कि जो चश्मा लगाते हैं ये वो बिना पावर के है मतलब ऑलमोस्ट उसमें पावर है ही नहीं तो लगाया क्यों है वो
Yeah, I do it so I look more serious in the video. So people think I'm joking. I have a number, but since we are close, अभी चलता है.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, I know. Look at that.
तब से मुझे पता चल गया ये बहुत फेक करता है
Okay. Who is your dream collab?
ड्रीम कोलैब यही था इसके साथ कोलैब वाला वीडियो बनाना या वो
Now, what's
मेरा
your next
ड्रीम
ambition though? कोई ब्रांड को शाउट आउट
नहीं यार नहीं यही है हाँ
Okay. One piece of creator advice you completely disagree with.
ओ लाइक मुझे किसी ने एडवाइस दी ऐसा कि लाइटिंग पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए शट अप कंटेंट इज द की लाइटिंग से कुछ नहीं होता
जब दिखेगा ही ना तो आपका कंटेंट तो आप बना लेना.
सर मैंने बहुत अच्छे हिट किए हैं ठीक है ना मिलियंस में जिसमें मेरी लाइटिंग भी बहुत बेकार थी मेरा माइक भी नहीं था मेरे पास एंड दैट रील वेंट मेरे ख्याल से 6 मिलियन तो क्या करूं मैं नहीं 6 मिलियन नहीं 11 मिलियन
She's pulling through.
I stand corrected.
11 मिलियन विदाउट माइक विदाउट लाइटिंग
The last question from me. One creator you'd love to roast on this couch.
रोस्ट ऑन दिस काउच मे बी BNFTV
Okay.
जस्ट ऑन रेंट अ गर्लफ्रेंड वाला थिंग ना कि मैं तो पूरा ऐसा वो कर दूंगी कि क्या है वो परेशान भी हो जाएगा मुझसे
ये देखते हो तुम बताओ तुम्हारी
ये
मम्मी को
गलत है तुम्हारी। ये सब कंटेंट बनाने के लिए तुम पैदा हुए हो ऐसा कर छोड़ूंगी नहीं मैं
Which creator has the most interesting DMs, according to you?
इंटरेस्टिंग डीएम्स लाइक मेरे को आते हैं या उनको आते हैं
उनको आते होंगे.
इसको भाई बहुत ही गजब वाले वो आते हैं डीएम कि भाई साहब मैं अभी बोलना भी अरे बहुत अच्छे आते हैं तुमने मेरे को दिखाए हैं
मैं तो सारे डिलीट कर देता हूँ.
पर तुम पहले दिखा भी तो देते हो कि ये मेरे को ऐसे बोल रहा है
अच्छा.
बड़े अजीब अजीब कोलैबोरेशन बोल रहे थे लोग इसको कि
Yeah.
भैया ये वो हाँ बट मैं बता नहीं सकती बट या वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग डीएम्स
Okay. One piece of advice you would like to give Ash?
लाइटिंग में ज्यादा ठीक है सब सही हो जाता है कोई दिक्कत नहीं है और प्लीज हर बार अपनी जेब में एक ट्रेडिंग कार्ड का पैकेट नहीं रखना होता चलती राह में एक पैकेट निकाल के मुझको फेंक देती हूँ
Imagine if I just pull out right now.
ये मतलब कहीं भी बैठे मैं इसी बात पे हम लोग कार्ड खोलना चाहेंगे गाइस
Rara.
एडवाइस मैं क्या एडवाइस थोड़ा हिंदी में कंटेंट बनाएं
That's
ताकि
actually a
लोगों
good
को पता चले कि आप हिंदी भी बोल सकते हैं
Okay.
Anime TM Talks.
थोड़ा रिसर्च जो आप करते हैं उसका पेपर मुझे भी दे दीजिए मेरे को भी थोड़ा कंटेंट बना क्योंकि मैं शॉर्टेज हो गई है मुझे
BNFTV.
BNFTV आप अपनी रिसर्च जो करते हैं उसका पेपर मुझे पकड़ा दीजिए मेरे को भी कंटेंट बनाना है Thank you so much.
That's funny. Okay, nice.
Okay, my last question. Complete this sentence. Anshika without Ashkar is.
मैं वही थीम रखूं जो तुमने रखी थी
हाँ.
लाइक द थिंग यू सेड ना कि बिफोर डेटिंग वाला फेज क्या था वैसा।
Yeah.
सो मे बी सैड वाला फेज थोड़ा सा कि बात करने के लिए कोई नहीं है और यू नो इनकलकेट करना पड़ता सब कुछ अपने आप से, खुद अपने पास दिमाग लगाओ सारा का सारा कि क्या करना है यार, कुछ आता ही नहीं है ये सब चीज़ें, अकेले शूट करना, कैमरा खुद लगाना, ये सब चीज़ें, मतलब ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स जो अपने को थोड़ा बेनिफिट हो पा रहा है ना, यू नो ऐसा डेटिंग लाइफ में, तो या ऑल दैट थिंग्स या।
Okay. Cool. So basically उन्होंने स्पॉट बॉय हायर किया हुआ है। सारा काम मैं करता हूँ, मैम आती है टैलेंट की तरह बैठ
मैं आती हूँ, बैठती हूँ, शूट करके चले जाते हैं।
Okay, but now it's time to get the gift, Amber.
Yeah. Okay, so who do you guys think won?
Me? I think we had that discussion
नहीं,
already ना। मैंने 500 रुपए भेजे थे ना तेरे को।
हम जीते हैं,
या we, oh sorry.
हम जीते हैं।
Yeah, actually on that
ओ
note,
हम जीत ही गए हैं, oh guys, oh my god. But
You both
just for
have
the
won.
नहीं,
Yes.
but just for the viewers के लिए हम बता दें कि भाई कौन जीता है, बता दो यार प्लीज।
You did.
What?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
ये तुम्हारा नहीं नहीं हम ही जीते हैं, आप भी पकड़ सकते हैं ऐसे करके। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, थैंक यू।
Awesome. Alright, we. ये देखो मैम आपको आ जाएगी फिट ये।
या
I think that's pretty good. You get a Ota Tokyo t-shirt.
भाई ये तो मैं पहन सकती हूँ, बहुत
Yeah?
बढ़िया लग रही है मेरे को।
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys.
You're welcome, dude. So stay tuned because the great Indian anime show presented by Ota Life will be back soon.
The Great Indian Anime Show. The Great Indian Anime Show.
Okay, guys, now it's time for Who's Most Likely to, presented by Ota Life. Okay, we're going to give you some situations. You just have to point who's most likely to do it. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Cool. The first question is, who's most likely to propose in an anime themed date?
You know it. You gotta
Yeah.
catch them all.
Who's most likely to adopt a pet because it looks like an anime character?
Me?
Yeah.
You. I don't even keep pets, dude. You're the one who already have a pet.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yeah,
fine.
shoot.
Who's more likely to fangirl or fanboy over a new anime crush?
Both of us do that.
Yeah.
Both of us do that. Yeah, same thing.
Who's more likely to quote anime lines in real life?
This guy. Not just
Out of
anime.
nowhere.
Yeah, if it's How I Met Your Mother ज़्यादा होता है थोड़ा because that's just my favorite show all time.
Yeah.
But हाँ anime भी हो जाता है.
Yeah.
So other lines like Omae wa mu shinde.
नहीं I do dubbed versions.
Okay. Okay. Who's most likely to cry during a romantic anime scene?
Romantic, yeah. Her.
Me. Always.
I cry more on sad and motivational stuff.
Who's more likely to forget reality while watching anime?
Yeah, she's right.
Oh.
मैं खो जाता हूँ भाई. I'm into the story. I'm
मैसेज
gone.
नहीं देखा जाता भाई मेरा, सोच लो तुम लोग, खौफ ही नहीं है मेरा कोई।
Who's most likely to binge watch an anime without telling the other?
नहीं.
नहीं वैसे बताऊंगी मैं भी नहीं, बट मैं एक बार में बिंज नहीं कर पाती हूँ, थोड़ा आई नीड ब्रेक ना।
We are 2x watchers, right? 2x में.
Not everything, but yeah. एक सिटिंग तो easy है यार.
Yeah.
मेरे से नहीं होगा,
12 एपिसोड 24 एपिसोड क्या ही होते हैं.
एक लेक्चर के बराबर होता है मेरा।
तुमसे एक लेक्चर भी नहीं होता.
कोई ना।
who's more likely to spend on anime merch?
Obviously, dude. Do you not know me? I spend so much.
But now you also 3D print on your own, right?
हाँ, but that also adds to more cost of.
कार्ड्स नहीं प्रिंट हो सकते ना, कार्ड्स के लिए तो पैसा खर्चना पड़ता है।
Yeah, I have a monthly budget now. I'm living on my last savings now.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Okay. Who's more likely to cosplay first for any event?
I think I won already.
Yeah. The सुनादे thing
Yeah.
बहुत ही क्रेजी है, एंड मैंने ही वो बनवा के दिया इनको थोड़ा थोड़ा।
They know.
Who's more likely to forget to eat while watching an anime?
Her.
Me?
Yeah, you forget to eat normally, bro. Anime तो क्या ही बात है. But हाँ,
You're
since she
right.
doesn't binge in anime, then वो उस पे भी count नहीं होगा. I eat every time. It doesn't matter. देख तो पेट निकल रहा है.
नहीं बट हाँ तुम सही कह रहे हो. मेरे को अब याद आया, मैंने बिंज वॉच किया था डॉक्टर स्टोन को पूरा.
There we
ठीक
go.
है, तो मैं खाना भूल गई थी. तब हुआ था. Yeah, you're right.
Okay. Who's more likely to rewatch an anime series 5 times?
Yeah, I hate rewatching anime. I've already cried once. Don't want to do it again.
Attack on Titan.
Who's more likely to spoil the ending of a show by accident?
By
You
accident.
don't do that at all.
Maybe me. Maybe.
I don't think so.
Maybe me.
Okay, sure.
कि अगर क्योंकि मैं ही हूँ वो जो अज्यूम कर रही होगी कि इन भाई साहब ने 700 देखे होंगे तो ये जो मैं बताने जा रही हूँ शायद वो भी देखा हो.
Yeah. But I don't think हम spoilers की बात करते हैं. in
नहीं
general.
करते हैं बट
Yeah.
मैंने अज्यूम कर लिया है कि तुमने तो देखा ही होगा.
Alright. I'm okay with
तो
that.
फिर क्या पता मैं गलती से स्पॉइल कर दूं या नहीं देखो.
Okay. Who's more likely to spend hours debating about a character's power level?
ये हम दोनों ही करते हैं.
Both of us. Yeah.
या फॉर द फर्स्ट या
Who's more likely?
मे बी मी.
Yes.
मी
Yes.
नहीं बट आजकल तुम वन पीस
हाँ मैं वन पीस ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's fine.
तुम भी तुम हाटी है.
Sure. It depends on when.
हिम.
Okay. Who's more likely to eat ramen for every meal?
Me.
या
Really?
Yeah.
मेरे को भी पसंद है बहुत ज्यादा.
But मैं ज़्यादा बनाता हूँ.
या
Frequency of eating is more.
तभी पेट
Okay.
निकलता है.
Who's more likely to scream at a plot twist?
Oh yeah. You.
तुम तो पॉज करके ऐसे हो जाते हो.
I process slowly, but she screams.
What the hell just happened?
Okay. Who's more likely to draw fan art of their favorite anime character?
यार मैं तो बनाना चाहूंगी तोजी का. अगर मेरे से बन जाए तो मैं उसकी क्या बोलते हैं अभ्यास में हूँ अभी.
She's already getting ready for it, so.
या मी.
Okay. Who's more likely to get jealous of an anime character?
मी. क्योंकि मैं आके ना जैसे नहीं दिखती. That's why.
Well, it's 2D, 3D. Don't mix things
नहीं
up.
यार,
Next
तुम नहीं
question.
समझोगे.
Okay. Who's more likely to spend hours choosing a figurine or a collectible?
I don't collect.
या
figurines.
me either. नहीं.
Yeah, we don't spend too much time. अगर कुछ पसंद आता है तो वो instantly होता है. But rarely for figurines.
मेरे तो जितने भी फिगरिन्स मेरे पास होंगे वो इसने 3D प्रिंट करके दिया है तो वो मेरे पास तो लाइक चॉइस ही नहीं है.
I am the toy maker now.
Who's most likely to dress up like an anime character just for fun?
Yeah. Yes.
Just for fun you did ना.
I did it for fun,
Yes.
yes, and for views. But
हाँ,
fun.
like, but not for views, like not for content, just for fun, ऐसे casually.
Yeah, just for fun he did ना cosplay वाला thing.
Yeah, that's me.
अगला कौन सा करोगे तुम?
I have no idea.
बोआ हैंकॉक कर ले. यहाँ से स्लिट आई.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा मेरे बाल वाले पहने देंगे.
नहीं मैं वैक्सिंग कराना बढ़िया लगेगा.
No, thank you. Let's move on.
Okay. Who's more likely to laugh at a ridiculously cheesy anime scene?
Oh, cheesy anime. scene.
चीज़ी एनिमे थिंग. मैं तो ऐसे हो जाती कि oh my god.
yeah.
हाँ ये मैं ही हूँ.
That's
मैं.
you.
Yeah, that is me.
Okay then guys, last question. Who's most likely to get a body pillow of their favorite waifu or husband?
हम दोनों को ही चाहिए.
नहीं, but
Yeah.
neither of us have one. First of all,
नहीं है नहीं but
I don't want one though.
देखिए जब तक हम एक साथ नहीं रह रहे हैं तब तक तो मुझे बॉडी पिलो चाहिए ये तोजी का.
Sure, but 2D को 3D में बुला रहे हो. That's the whole. You're ruining the whole feel of it.
अरे
Sure, you can have it. I'll get you one. Sure, that's
नहीं
it.
मैं खुद ले लूंगी उसको.
Okay guys, that was fabulous. That's the end of that round.
Perfect.
So it brings me to my last and final question that I've asked you already. I've asked you already too. But now answer it as a couple.
Okay.
Okay.
What is your future?
What is our
Is
future?
my future. Oh sorry, our future.
Yes, our future. That's an interesting question because
Do you guys see yourselves getting married in the next few months, years?
Months maybe not possible क्योंकि financially.
नहीं हमने अभी इस बारे में conversation भी start नहीं किया, so we don't know where it goes.
Oh wow, such the
but-
perfect timing to ask that question.
Yeah. Imagine deciding your life and marriage on a TV show. Great anime. Anyway, nee, I think we'll play it by the year.
Yeah.
We are great together on camera and off camera, so I have no
Yes.
issues with that. And if it leads to marriage, I'm happy for it. Why not?
Yeah. Same. मतलब yeah. You're a good guy. I like you.
Approval आ गया जी.
Okay then.
You have amazing chemistry, man.
Thank you.
So,
Yeah.
this was the end of the episode. How was the experience today?
Fantastic, dude. I think it was better because last time मैं अकेला था, now I had her.
Yeah, और last time मैं भी kind of अकेली थी क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ बोला नहीं आता ना, जब तक ये बैठे नहीं होते मुझे वो आता नहीं है क्या बोलना चाहिए, but yeah, thank you so much.
It was great, dude. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, then on that note, for all the viewers sitting at home, thank you for tuning in for today's episode of the Great Indian Anime Show presented by Ota Life, Japan here in India.
And here's a quick message by Hiro-san.
नमस्ते इंडिया, मेरा नाम हीरो है फ्रॉम जापान. आप कैसे हो? Now, Japanese otaku culture is on demand. Meet Ota Life, our app for authentic Japanese experience. Tired of the fake? Get a real deal. Dream of the exclusive figure? Anime singer event in India? Vote now. You are bought from the otaku spirit bomb. You wish? We will bring it to India. Stop searching, start living. Download Ota Life and make your biggest dream reality. Ota Life, your community, your power. Stay otaku. じゃあねー。